Okay, with this particular model of machine, I've got it set. You could set it for the viscosity you want to be done, but also you could check and see what the actual viscosity is by just flipping it from set to actual, and it'll tell you where you're at. So right now we're right around 21 viscosity. That's the thickness of the product. Okay, I'm running it around 200 RPMs. You can adjust the RPMs to what you want by just turning this knob up or down. Okay, I usually like to run it 200 RPMs or a little bit higher when I'm freezing down. When I take it out, after I whip it, we'll show you that when we get to the point where the product is the right viscosity to add air to it. Right now it's still freezing down, as you can see. Okay, we had quite a bit of ingredients in this recipe between the caramel and the fudge. So it's going to take a little bit longer to freeze down when you add those kind of ingredients into your product. So each flavor you make is going to be a little different as far as freezing time and manufacturing time based on the ingredients you put into the machine. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and put in our particulate. I slowed down our RPMs so that I can have time to blend in my waffle cones.
Dead air, talk guys, talk.
Boy, this looks so good.
Ice cream comes out, look how smooth and creamy it looks.
If you're doing this by yourself, you could slow down the speed enough to where you can handle it by yourself. Come on. Get some more. Well, go ahead, put a little. That's good. That's good. Okay. You don't want to beat up your product too much and knock all the air out of it. That's good, Angelo. I don't want any more. That's enough.